5 months ago, Anthropic was worth $965 billion. Now investors want $2 trillion. And in the last 5 months, nothing about the business has changed much, only the story did. Let's get into it. So Anthropic is going public in October, and investors told Financial Times that they are looking for a $2 trillion valuation. That would be the biggest IPO in history. Back in June, SpaceX did a $1.77 trillion valuation, and they raised $75 billion. Back in May, Anthropic raised $65 billion in their Series H funding, and they got a $965 billion evaluation. Now, that would be doubling in only 5 months to $2 trillion. And the company pulled in $10.9 billion in Q2 off a run rate of $47 billion in mid-May. Now, Avery Marquez, the director of investment strategies at Renaissance Capital, said this about the valuation. Just seeing the $2 trillion number, it's definitely jolting. Reaching near operating profitability will at least be something that, in my mind, makes this very large valuation maybe not seem so crazy. And I agree. And Fortune ran the numbers, and with a $2 trillion valuation, Anthropic would need between $57 to $79 billion in yearly profit, and that would bring them closer to Amazon, who did $77 billion, which is not impossible. Now, once it goes public, it stops being a Silicon Valley bet, and it starts being a 401k bet. Index funds buys what's in the index, so you're gonna end up owning it whether you believe in it or not. SpaceX in June did $1.77 trillion valuation with $75 billion raised, and retail investors are now seeing that return. And we'll see what happened with Anthropic. And if you wanna know if you're ready for the AI economy, take the Future Proof Assessment, link in bio.